Okay, I thought I would try something. We'll see how it works out. This is my grandmother's. Shout out to the tape company. This is still, I'm not going to fuck with it. It's still on there. I mean, I did rub some of the dust off, but now I'm going to have to Google that, see if that place is still up and running. But it's a sewing machine. Oh, how do I back out? Can I make it bigger? No. This should be interesting. Oh, that's interesting. It lifts, is it stuck or is it actually lifting the product? I think it's actually lifting the product. Or the sewing machine. Can I put this somewhere? I'm gonna have to try to edit this. I can't tell if you can see it or not. Let's. Maybe. Oh, spiderweb. No. Oh my god, fuck, shit. Oh, edit that. Oh. 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 Shit. Quality. That's what it is. Quality. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Okay. Better pull that out. Oh shit. Oh my god. Damn. Well, the needle's still sharp. Oh my god, this is cool. How do I... Okay, before I touch you, hold on. Before I get all excited with you. What was in here? Piece of mealworm. Oh! Was that? Okay, so is the powder? I wonder what kind of powder that is. Like baking soda to keep or cornstarch to keep absorption out? Or baking soda to keep odor and absorption out? Love the smell, by the way. This case is very cool. A lot of green rust. Love the case. Okay. Love the case. Case for the win. Alright. Now, for you. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Kenmore. Oh, come here. Let's see. Ooh. It says Kenmore. What does that say? White rotary. Should have left you up there. Probably better if I had left you up there. I mean, this thing in of itself weighs a good bit. Well, let's take a look here. Forward, reverse. Did that? That is. Oh, Ralph, I am sending you this video. It still has the... I would assume that is the tension. Probably shouldn't be turning these things. I can't believe it still has thread in it. It's still, ugh, dirt. What does this do? Alright, if anybody's in there, please stay in there. I'm righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Damn. And then it's got something and another something. These look like hinges. Like, oh my god. Okay. Alright, hold on. Oh. Yeah, we didn't want that screw anyway. Yeah, this is... Let's see if I can... Oh my... Christmas trees. Why would it... Why? Why would it have to come out like this? Control number 38996. Yeah. Okay. And it's got some numbers on there. I'll have to look that up. And some numbers on there. And somebody home in there. I hope not. I mean, everything looks greased. Like she just had it serviced before she stuck it away. What kind of... Is this kind of bobbin that comes out from the... So you have to... Oh. Sit there for a second. So you have to... Oh, shit. Please. Okay. And then you take the bobbin out this way. Maybe. Possibly. Or not. Oh my gosh. What does this button do? What does this button do? I mean, it's literally cast iron. This is definitely a cast iron base. So I really can't see me effing it up in too much. There's a fat fingers in the way. There's a I have no idea what I'm doing, but I did it. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, it's almost out of thread. Well, time to change the bobbin, I guess. That's weird. It has there's a little something in there that's doing something. Wow. Look at that bobbin. Look at that bobbin. I mean, oh, thread's all gone. That is a serious bobbin. Wow. Wow. And that's a... Wow. I think I might... I mean, I'm not... Obviously, might take a toothbrush and try to get some of the dust off this thing. But, I mean, look at this. I mean, that is all metal. Like, not metal. It is metal. Alright, let's see. Oh, look. I just noticed. So before I close it, the light bulb, right, has... Ah! Sorry, my photography skills suck. It has a light switch for the light. What kind of crazy shit is that? Alright, so... Oof. So we'll close it. Yeah, that screw goes to keep it closed. Well, thank God there was nobody home. I mean, this is stuck. This is cool. I'm gonna do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. No. Oh. Oh! Well, duh. Of course it's not gonna work. It ain't got a bobbin in it. Oh, well now it's really moving now that I got that. Oh, can I get the string out? Yeah, I got the string out. I don't want to take an air gun. I've heard air guns are bad. That's probably for electric units. This will probably be okay. I mean, I don't want to disturb any of the grease. Oh, and there's tape on here. There's some kind of plate. There's screws along here. Alright, let's spin you around. Okay, so we've got Sears DC and AC up to 75 cycles. So 65 watts. Well, maybe I'll leave the flash on. I don't know. 110 volts. White Sewing Machine Corp. Cleveland, Ohio, USA. We'll say 6354. It's got a little UL from, of course it's from Sears. Look at that plug. That's a wild plug. Anybody ever see a plug like that? Wow. Okay. Oh, I don't want to know what kind of dust that was. Oh, where's my rag? Where's my rag? Oh. I shouldn't take a white nap to any of this because I don't want to disturb whatever patina's on here. And we won't question those wires. Can we see in there? Let's see. Up and down to whatever. And this. What do we got here? 77MG58830. We'll get so many damn whatevers and whatevers. What is it doing? What is this? What is this? I guess it... I don't know what that's doing. Okay. Long, long, long and long. This is something. All right, well, excuse me. That is a tour of a cast iron sewing machine. I am going to, well, I gotta go get the groceries out of the car, but this is going to be played with later. More to come.